3 duckies.
Chicken!
He wants food too.
Go ahead, Ella. Feed him.
Feed the chicken. Give the chicken
Go
some
ahead.
food. Okay, here's some more. I don't think he sees it.
And I try not to when he gets sick, because then every time he gets sick, I'm like, you have to be really, really old.
What's he doing?
Feed him more, honey. Good girl. Haha. Ella's feeding animals. It's fun. You tell him, honey. Tell him. He listened to you. He's eating. Tell him what to do.
Eat it.